Hello and welcome to the special Black Friday edition of Craft with Sarah. It's that time of the year again, which means my biggest sale of the year has just started. If you've been eyeing up any of the layered cut files in my SVG shop but haven't quite taken the plunge, there's no better time than this weekend. From now until midnight Eastern Time on Monday 28th of November, you can get big savings on all my digital cut files. The first saving is an automatic discount on all purchases that gets bigger the more you spend. All orders placed in my SVG shop this weekend save an automatic 20% when you get to checkout. If you spend over $50 in one order, that discount automatically increases to 30%. Spend over $100 and that discount gets even bigger to a whopping 40%. This is the only time of the year that I offer such big discounts, so hurry on over to craftwithsarah.com/shop before the deals expire. But that's not all. I've got even more special offers for you this weekend. All my layered alphabet sets have been reduced from $37 to just $17. That's a massive saving all on its own, but you still get the order discounts I just mentioned on top of that too. There are over 15 different alphabets to choose from, with themes such as mermaids, Christmas, snowflakes, poinsettias, Halloween, cats, dogs, and more. Visit craftwithsarah.com/alphabets to find them all. Let's take a look at some of the other designs in my shop. I specialise in layered animal SVGs, especially dogs. In fact, I have over 230 different dog breed designs available. Here are just a few of them on screen now. Can you see your favourite in there? But it's not just dogs, there are cats, small animals, horses, farm animals, big cats, wild animals, birds, dinosaurs, and so much more. Not into animals? No problem. Choose from flowers, seasonal designs such as Christmas, Halloween, Valentine's Day, and Easter, or general designs that would be suitable for many different occasions. If there are several different SVGs that you'd like to purchase, you may wish to check out my custom bundles. These are make-your-own bundles of 10, 20, or 50 designs, where you can choose your own selection of SVGs at a lower price than buying them individually. Visit craftwithsarah.com/custom bundles to find them. You have to request the designs in groups of 10, but you have up to 1 calendar year from your purchase date to request them all, so you don't need to choose everything right now if you don't want to. And of course, the Black Friday percentage discounts stack on top of those prices, saving you even more. A custom bundle of 10 designs is usually $37, but with the automatic 20% discount that will get applied at checkout, the price goes down to $29.60 or $2.96 per design. That's a massive saving on the regular price of $5 per design. Save even more with the bigger custom bundles. A custom bundle of 20 designs is usually $65, but as this is over 50, it means you will automatically save an extra 30% at checkout. That takes the total for 20 designs down to $45.50 or $2.28 per design. That's better than half price. But the biggest savings of all come with a custom bundle of 50 designs. The usual bundle price is $150, but with the automatic 40% discount for spending over $100, that brings it down to just $90 in total, which is an incredible $1.80 per design. As I said, my layered SVGs usually sell for $5 each, so getting them for only $1.80 is really an incredible deal and one that won't be around for long. That link again for the custom bundles is craftwithsarah.com/custom bundles. For more information about my Black Friday sale, check the link in the description of this video or visit my shop at craftwithsarah.com/shop. If you have any questions, please email sarah@craftwithsarah.com. Remember, this once-a-year discount extravaganza ends at midnight Eastern Time on Monday, the 28th of November, 2022. Happy shopping and thank you for watching. Bye!